Hello, this is Justin Johnston from Bloody Point Mixing Company. We're coming to you live at Roller's Wine and Cheese, located on Palmetto Bay Road on Hilton Head Island, South Carolina. So I came to you today to talk a little bit about our brand in case you've never heard of us before. So we are Bloody Point Mixing Company. Started here on Hilton Head Island many number of years ago. Can't really remember exactly how long now. But I created this company for a multitude of reasons. So we're actually one of the cleaner companies in the country. We are all natural, we are gluten-free, and we have less sodium content than quite a few of the Bloody Marys in the market today. The key to that is we always wanted to retain a wonderful flavor profile, but we're also one of the most innovative Bloody Mary companies around. And what I mean by that is we offer products such as this remedy right here. So you're going to see this remedy, and to our knowledge, is the only Bloody Mary in the nation that contains caffeine and vitamin B12 because, well, it kind of made sense on our part. It has a very smooth and clean flavor profile. All of our products kind of build in the front of your palate, and they kind of grow and grow and grow until they hit the back. And the reasons why that is like that is because there is a lack of artificial preservatives. Sodium content is down as well, but that's how we wanted to design it. We wanted it to linger in the back of your throat and not just kind of get your lips and your tongue and just kind of go away. These are all very savory products. So that was our Remedy Bloody Mary. Now our original one is the one I created 15 years ago, but I created this as a Bloody Mary and as a marinade. So when I did this, I wanted to be a little bit different. So instead of using a lot of the traditional Bloody Mary ingredients, we put a little bit of rosemary in there, there's fennel, there's ginger. So if you ever decide to cook with that or use it as a marinade, those flavors really rise to the top and really sets off the dishes in a way that other products just simply cannot do. What makes a great soup base, we have won some competitions with that product. And we have a Bloody Mary cookbook coming out next year, which consists of 100 recipes, but 94 are food-based, not just drink recipes. So be sure to look out for that next year, which will be up on our website at www.bloodypointmixing.com and all of our social media and things of that nature. Now this is our Coastal Mary. This is a clam-based Bloody Mary. And what sets this one apart from a lot of other clam-based products is that we only use about 25% clam in there. It makes it kind of crisp and a little bit briny at the front, but it builds into a togarashi seasoning in the back of your palate. So the flavor profile is just simply unmatchable. They make wonderful micheladas, gazpacho, ceviche, oyster shooters, things of that nature. So with that being said, I've also prepared one of the dishes in our cookbook. This is our Bloody Mary shrimp gazpacho. It's a very, very simple recipe. I poach a little bit of shrimp with a little bit of cumin and lime juice. This Coastal Mary is the base of this particular dish. It's nice, fresh, crisp and clean. It's just something very fun. It's wonderful for house parties. You can kind of garnish this with whatever you want, maybe a little bit of avocado, put this on some bruschetta, and things like that, because you can really make it as thick as you want or as thin as you want also. Kind of depends on what you're going for and the overall use of everything. Maybe throw a little bit of feta on there, which is always nice. This right here is actually an excerpt from our book called the Bloody Mary Cookbook coming out, and it has a handful of our recipes in here. As you can see, we have all sorts of fun stuff, barbecue sauces. Bloody Mary basil soup with that original blend is just killer because that rosemary really rises to the top. It's like a 5-ingredient recipe, but you can just kind of see the different things that we're doing here at Bloody Point. And again, I just wanted to come out here and talk about the brand. All of our products are available in the Lowcountry. If you type in your zip code on our website where you're at, it'll pop out the locations the updated locations on everything. And you can always find this at Roller's Wine and Cheese and Roller's on Hilton Head Island and a number of other places as well. So again, my name is Justin Johnston, Bloody Point Mixing Company, coming to you at Roller's Wine and Cheese on Palmetto Bay Road on Hilton Head Island. Pop on in, have a glass of wine, have a few Bloody Marys, or at least take some Bloody Marys home with you, and we'll see you next time. Thank you very much.